Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Battle.net installation error. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to download Battle.net from an official website here. As you can see here, blizzard.com, Battle.net desktop app. You need to download from Windows here. And then after you download the setup here, another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to settings, apps, installed apps, and make sure if you had Battle.net on your PC, you need to basically delete all the leftovers of the app itself and then install it. So just write Battle.net and then press install. And after you do that, then you just need to press Windows and I key and then go to program data. And here, make sure to delete these two folders here. And after you do so, then you need to go back on Windows and I key. And then here you need to just write %sign app data, %sign. Here. And here as well, you just need to delete Battle.net folder. And after you do so, then you need to go to your setup here and run as administrator and install Battle.net, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.